What's up guys, so before we start this video, I thought I'd just introduce myself as this is my first video on YouTube. I go by Bez. I've been trading meme coins specifically for about 6 months, and I've been trading in crypto since about 2021 on and off. So this video is mainly for people that want to start and learn how to trade meme coins and how to get everything set up. So if you already know how to trade meme coins, this might not be the perfect video for you. But if you don't know and you want to start, or you know someone that wants to start, this is the perfect video for them. I'm going to try to keep this video bare bones as possible, but just go over the basics and the essentials to actually start, as I'll be going through more in depth about wallet tracking and going and finding the right coins and when to buy and everything else you need to know about meme coins in further videos. This is just to get started, get some money in your wallet, find the perfect trading bot, and know where to start. So first, you're going to want to download the Phantom wallet extension. If you're on computer, it'll be a Chrome web store extension, so just search up Phantom, it should pop up. But I recommend trading on computer, but you can also download it on mobile, and you just download it through the app store, and you'll set everything up through here. This is going to be your wallet for trading Solana, so you'll have your money in here, and that's where you place your trades on. To actually put money in this wallet, you're going to have to go to Coinbase or Binance, deposit some money into there, buy some Solana with that money. I recommend about 1 Solana to 0.5, which is about $100 to $200 worth. And then you're going to want to copy your Phantom wallet address. You type in your password there, you copy your Phantom wallet address and put it into Coinbase or Binance or whatever exchange you use. You copy it there and then send the Solana over. Okay, so now you should have some Solana in your Phantom wallet. You will now be signing up for a trading bot using the link in the description to skip the queue. This bot is called BullX and is the most used trading bot within Solana meme coins due to its speed and various features. You do need a Telegram account to sign up for this bot though, so if you don't have one, pause the video and make this now. Once you've completed the sign up, you should have another wallet inside of BullX, and you'll now be moving your funds into that from your Phantom wallet. You do this by repeating the process of copying the wallet address on your BullX wallet and sending it from your Phantom wallet, and now you'll have your funds inside of your BullX. Now you've done that, you want to go into here, go Solana, and you're going to have to click download private key. And you download your private key. This is basically your password for Solana and your wallet. So if you want to log into Phantom later with this wallet, you can import it into there, but this is your password, so you don't want to share it with anyone, and you want to make sure it's saved, as it's a random thread of letters and numbers. Now you should have some Solana in your BullX wallet and you want to start trading. Alright, so this is the website where all the coins are coming out from. There's everything on this site, everything. So they just basically make coins for free, and you can buy that coin, and they can buy it at the very start. That's what the whole incentive of it is, and why it's free and everything. But all the coins are coming out here. You see they're coming out every second. There's a lot of coins coming out. But if you click on any random one of these, you probably will lose your money. So look, let me just click on one for example. Look, it's not going up at all. You'll probably just lose your money if you buy any of these, and the devil sell on you. Okay, so you want to be able to do some research on these coins and understand the space enough to the point where you can spot the winners, the coins that go to 300,000, 400,000, 1 million, and you can make a lot of money on those. You do this by going on Twitter. That's what I recommend the most. Twitter and following influencers. You follow big influencers like Ansem. This is a really big guy in the space. He's got 500,000 followers. He's talked to Andrew Tate, he's got a lot of influence in the space. He doesn't have as much as he used to, but he still has a lot. You want to follow him, you want to follow Mitch, you want to follow, Degen. All these people have a lot of influence, and influence is the main thing that can push coins in this space. So they might tweet a coin out, so you might want to turn on notifications for some of the ones that you start to realize that tweet out really good coins and you can make money on. So he just tweeted this one out. He's been tweeting it out for a while now, but he tweets it out and you could buy it, and it might go up as he has a lot of influence in the space. Another tool I recommend is this list that another YouTuber and influencer made called Mofo, and it pretty much just has a lot of his friends and people in the space that are good and that are known to be dropping good alpha on the timeline. So there's pretty much just a lot of good stuff on this list, and you'll understand the space and what pushes coins, what doesn't push coins, what are funny memes and whatnot from this. Like you see, there's stuff coming out of this list every minute. I'm going to link this in the description if you do want to check it out and follow some of the people on the list. I really do recommend this to get started, as you know, you'll probably find a community on this list as well. Other than the people on the list and the people I've already mentioned, I'd recommend searching up and maybe joining some of these groups and finding a good community once you make a little bit of money in the space. Some of these groups, they send like new pairs, so they send coins in there. See, someone might have sent this coin and someone made, $42,000 in it, and they'll just keep on sending coins constantly, just coins that are good, and they probably will go up, as they have a lot of knowledge, the people in these groups. So Invest, Reversal, a lot of these groups I recommend. But I don't know, I wouldn't recommend it if you're just starting and you have one Solana. What I recommend is try to find a free Discord or a free Telegram of like an influencer, and you can start chatting with the people in there and finding new plays. The easiest place to catch in this space is either wallet tracking, which you can do with the Ray Tracker bot. You can basically you go onto Telegram, you sign up for this bot, you go into Telegram, and you can just add wallets which are like influencers or really good traders you find. You can add them to your Telegram and you'll get a notification every time they buy something. Or another way to find really good plays, which I recommend, is Tweet Shift. This thing, you don't have to do it when you're starting out, because you do have to pay for this, but it's really, really good at, you get a notification slightly before Twitter notifications come out. And a lot of these big people like Donald Trump and Andrew Tate and like a lot of these big people, they post like a meme or something that people can make a joke out of, someone will make a coin and it'll go very far. A good example of this was Elon Musk. He posted, he changed his profile picture actually, and it was Dark Elon Musk or something like that. Which one was it? It was this one. And this one went absolutely parabolical. People made hundreds of thousands on this. It went to multi millions. I'm not sure why it's showing like this. I think it might be the wrong coin, but people made multi millions on this coin just because he changed his profile picture to a bit of a meme. So being fast in this space is everything. So if you can pay like $3 a month and you get Tweet Shift, and it links up to your Discord and you get a notification when these people tweet, it's much better than just turning on the Twitter notifications. But if you do have to turn on the Twitter notifications, that's alright as well. It's better to have the notifications on for as many people as you can that actually post stuff that could be worth knowing. So you can keep on finding alpha and just keep on finding plays. So now you're tapped into the space and you start to understand the crypto culture. Alright, so I'm going to explain some more of the BullX features. This is basically what I sit on all day. Pump Vision, it's called. And there's new creations here, about to graduate here, and graduated here. Basically, new creations are ones that just got launched, usually around 10 to 30 seconds ago. See, there's tons of coins here. Most of them are around 4,000 to 5,000 market cap, which is quite low. The market cap's basically the price of the coin. That's easy to read. Here, these are the ones that are about to graduate. Once a coin hits about 60 to 70,000, depending on the Solana prices, it goes on to Radium Protocol, which is basically just a bigger market outside of pump.fun, the website. So look, this one's about to graduate. Yeah, it's migrating right now. It's 100% at 60,700. So it's just graduating right now. And once it graduates, it'll get put on a much bigger market here, and it'll go into this graduated tab. This tab, you get a lot more investors coming in, as some people want less risk, as there's a lot less risk in this category, as they've already established coins rather than trying to have to filter through all these bad coins just to find one winner. So this is where all the coins get a lot more volume, they get 400,000 market cap and whatnot. Another thing I recommend in Memecoins is basically setting up this thing on BullX. It's a filter, or not a filter, a setting, more to the point. It's called Advanced Sell, Auto Sell Strategy. So I have this one set up right now. You can set it up to your liking, but what I recommend for beginners is creating new strategy. I'd put stop loss at probably 50%. If you lose it, you click minus 50%, and it will sell 100% of your holdings. But that's only if you're not watching it. I usually recommend cutting it around 30 to 20 depending on the volume and what kind of coin it is. But here, for take profit, I'd put an automatic take profit at 100%, you sell 50. That's to slowly stack your bread and make money slowly, so you can take your initials out at 100% profit. So you have initials and the same amount as your initials still riding. So if you put in one sol, it'll sell one sol once you're up 100%, and you'll still have a Solana in. You can set the rest of them, but the rest don't really matter. But they're the two that I would recommend. In Memecoins, as I already said, you basically have to be as safe as possible and take your initials out as quick as possible. So in these plays, a lot of these plays, you're gonna want to be out in, like even under a minute sometimes, depending on the charts. You just can't be attached to your bags and be ready to sell as soon as possible. Like, you can make a really good fat chunk of money. Some of these coins bond in 1 to 2 minutes. So if you just sell it as soon as possible, lock in the profits, it's usually much better than just holding and hoping it goes up, hoping it goes up, hoping it goes up. See, just here, let's measure it. See, it's about, that's a bit of a slower cook, but that's about an hour, and it goes up like 6x. So if you catch any of those plays and you just want to sell, be more than free to sell. Usually I sell my bags. I think my average hold time is about 3 minutes. 3 minutes on my wallet. So yeah, you really just want to sell as quick as possible in these coins. As soon as you're up money, you can just sell if you're not comfortable in the coin. But if you have really high conviction, just keep on holding. There's a few more things you should know before you should start doing more research into this. But just to start, I reckon it probably is worth noting. You can check the dev wallet here to see, if he's created any more coins. If he's created a lot of coins and they haven't really gone anywhere, I wouldn't buy it. Usually I only buy coins that are either from a successful developer that's launched a good coin before, or it's their first coin. You can also click view on SolScan on any wallet and click view on SolScan. It'll show you where the money's come from. You won't really understand this website now, but once you're in the space for a little bit, you'll start to understand the website. You can go to balance changes and you can see where the money came from, his last transactions and everything. As Solana, everything is tracked on Solana, so you can see he's created a coin before, Cheng it was called, and see it doesn't show up here because it wasn't created on that pump.fun. But yeah, it just shows everything on the SolScan. You can also, I do recommend looking at the actual site here. I wouldn't trade on this site, but I would recommend this site just to have a look around, see what's happening, and you can turn everything off here, turn it on, and you can filter it a little bit, but I wouldn't buy on this site. It's just worth checking out to get started to really understand the space a bit more. Right here, this is called King of the Hill, and King of the Hill is basically the coin that's received the most volume, hit 35,000 I think it is usually, and you see this one's chilling at 65,000, so it's receiving a lot of volume at the minute. But there is a lot of scams in this space. So you see this coin, I noticed this before. Click on hold to see all this red. That usually means the developer's holding all of this. All of this is held by the developer. And if you see a chart like this means they're going to rug pull you, which basically just means they're going to sell all together and it's going to go straight down. If it's moving like slowly, and there's a really big green wick at the start, if it's moving slowly and there's no red, that usually means it's a scam and you'd avoid buying it. You can also check if the DEX screen is paid. DEX screen is basically when they bond, or before they bond, if they're in their about to graduate tab, they can pay DEX screener, and you can paste. You go into checkdex.com. You can paste. You click on this. You copy the contact address. You paste it in here. You check if DEX screen is paid, and usually it's pretty good if it is paid. As it means they've paid $300 to show like more info on this website DEX screener, which I'm guessing most of you probably wouldn't know, but this is like the main website where people check charts and stuff if they're not buying. And you see, it wouldn't show up with a banner or Twitter or website or Telegram if it's not paid. It'll just be blank here. So it's really good for the coin if it is paid. You see what I said? A lot of these coins just rug. And if they bond really quickly and they've got a lot of insiders, see this percentage held by insiders or top holders, it usually means it's a rug or a scam, so I just avoid a lot of those coins. A lot of these coins with animated art that looks like AI, I'd probably avoid those as well, but obviously I'm not going to go too in depth here, as I will be making more in depth videos in the future. This is more just like, just to start out and understand what pump.fun is and everything about it. I think that about wraps it up for the video. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to show some love, like and subscribe or whatnot, so you can see the next posts. And I'll keep on making more videos like this. I'll make a wallet tracking one next, how to find the actual coins, because I didn't really go in depth about the coins. I really just kept a big overview about everything, but I will go more in depth in the future about wallet tracking, tweet tracking, and further things about the coins. So if you did enjoy, please don't forget to show love, and I'll leave the link for BullX and the Twitter link in the description below.